the hills. Where does my help come from? Not from riches, not from kings, but the Holy One. He never sleeps, he never fails. He's steady through the storm. When I'm weak and worn, his strength is reborn. My help comes from the Lord, oh yes it does. Maker of heaven and earth, the God I trust. When I can't stand, he lifts me up. My help, my hope, my everything, it comes from the Lord.
Most people think you need to be a songwriter to turn Bible verses into songs. But what if that's not true? I'm going to show you how I created 3 scripture-based songs. Even if you're not musical, you'll learn how I went from idea, to lyrics, to melody, then turned it into a video, up to a full 60 seconds, not just a 10-second clip. Let's get started. So the first thing I'll do is go to ChatGPT and ask it to help me create an image prompt for a lady singing in a church choir. She's a soloist and eventually I want to make an animated video of her singing the new gospel song. Then it gave me options for a children's choir and another for a third soloist. Next, I'll start creating some lyrics for a new song. I asked ChatGPT to give me ideas for a gospel song for each scenario. Eventually I picked my favorite ideas, then I told ChatGPT to create short lyrics for the ones I picked. I wanted the end product to be 45 seconds or so long. Alright, now that I've got those, I'm ready to go to the next step. Alright, now I'm going to record the lyrics and turn them into an actual song. I've come to Suno. First of all, sign in. You can see some of the ones people have already created. What I will do is show you how to use this amazing tool. Basically, you put your lyrics in here. At the bottom you can see there's different kinds of musical styles to choose. But for this song I'm going to have a lady singing, so I don't want to choose instrumental. Let me go back to ChatGPT and just grab the title and lyrics, then go back to Suno and add it here. I'll put my lyrics there and delete that extra stuff. I'll add my style choices there. Then click Create. It'll create 2 at a time and it takes it a few minutes. So let's listen to this.
We can love, we can care, we can help someone today. With a smile or a hug, we can light the way.
Okay, so you get the idea. Once you create one you like, download it. Choose MP3. It'll ask you this, then click Download. So that's the process for here. Come to Suno and experiment for yourself. You might be surprised by what you can actually make. Now it's time to make the images for this video. I'm back in ChatGPT. I'll grab my image prompt and take it over to the art generator. I'm using ImageFX. I'll put in my text prompt here. I'll choose 16 by 9, then click Create. Remember, this is for the children's choir song. If you want to see them bigger, click here. That's not bad, so I'll make a few changes on the prompt and try it again. I really like ImageFX, it makes great images. Yeah, I like these better. So I'll take this one and download it. But that's how you use this art generator. You could use any one that you like to do the same thing. These are some that I made previously for another video. Alright, now on to the next step. Okay, the next step is where we actually start putting this all together. I've come to Lemonslice. This is a new program I'm going to introduce today. I'll show you one real quick way to use it, but it is very versatile and I'll make another video about it in the future. Today I'll click on Select Image and drag this one in. Next we need to select our audio. You know how most videos can only go to 8 to 10 seconds. The cool thing about this is that you can use audio up to a whole minute, so that's how long my audio is going to be today. To make that work I have to do a few extra things. I've come to Canva and I dropped my song in here on a page. You can see it's well over 2 minutes long, so I clipped it just before a minute and at the end I faded it out. Then I downloaded it as a MP4. You don't have an option to choose MP3 here, no biggie. I'll go to Cloud Convert and convert this file from MP4 to MP3. It only takes a few seconds. So it's one extra little step if you can't save your audio file directly as an MP3. This is a fast workaround. Now I'll go back to Lemonslice and select my audio. Go to my media and upload it. You have lots of choices down here to experiment with, but for now I'm not going to change a whole lot. I'll choose medium here and choose private mode. Then I'll generate it. Alright, so this is 59 seconds long. When it's ready, I'll come back and show it to you.
We can love, we can care, we can help someone today. With a smile or a hug, we can light the way. Even when the skies are gray, we're shining anyway. Cause Jesus put his light in us and never fade away. Shining like stars in the night, with little lights burning bright. In our hearts is a love we'll show. Wherever we go, we glow. Ooh. We can love, we can care, we can help someone today. With a smile or a hug, we can light the way. Even when the skies are gray, we're shining anyway. Cause Jesus put his light in us and never fade away, away.
Mountains may tremble, oceans may roar, but his promise stands forevermore. Through every valley, I'll sing his praise. His light will shine through all my days. My help comes from the Lord, the one who saves. Through every storm and crashing waves, he lifts me up, he makes me strong. My help comes from the Lord all along.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.